Hello children, today we are going to learn about estimating the sum of numbers. So we will understand this topic with the example. So see here, Ranveer required near about 28 square shapes and 34 circle shapes for his math project. So how many total shapes he should cut out for his project? So here Ranveer needs some shapes for his project near about. It means what? It is not fixed that how many he required. So estimating means what? That number is not fixed. Okay. So we have to find out the estimated number. Estimated number means what? We have to find out the nearest tens of this number. Yes, that we have already learnt in round off the numbers to their nearest tens. Yes, no, if you remember. If not, you can see my that video of round off. So here the number is 28. Yes, he need near about 28 square and 34 circle. So first we will do the actual sum of this number, so you will understand it. Okay, so what is the actual sum? See here, I have already arranged that number vertically according to their place value in number. So we will do the addition of the digit which are in ones place. So 8 plus 4, we have to add 4 in 8. So we will count the numbers after 8 till 4, that is 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer is 12, and we know that the digit which is in ones place, that we are going to write here, and 1 will go as a carryover here on the head of 2 in tens place. Now we will do the addition of the digits which are in tens place. So 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 3, 6. So actual sum is 62. And now we have to do the estimated sum. Estimated means what? I already told you that we have to find out the nearest tens of this number. So this is 28, and which is the nearest tens of this 28? 30. Yes, so we will write 30 here. Then this is 34. So which is the nearest tens of 34? We know that 34's nearest tens is 30 only. Yes, as we know that while find out the nearest tens of the number, what we do? First we see the tens between which number that is coming. So 28 is coming between which number? 20 to 30, and this is middle number of 20 to 30, and 28 is coming here, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so 30 is nearest to the 28, and same with the 34. So 34 is coming between 30 to 40. Yes, here is 34, and their middle number is 35. So 34 is near to 30, so its nearest tens is 30. So we have arranged it vertically like this. Yes, no, and we have did the addition. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0, and 3 plus 3, 6. So estimated sum is 60 and actual sum is 62. In this way we have understand that estimated sum and actual sum, they are very close. Yes, it means they are near about same, they don't have too much difference. Hope you understand. Thank you.